Boy, I know you're nervous about being here today. You're not too sure what you're going to say, so don't be afraid to take up some of my daddy's time. Will you ask for my hand, though I'm my daddy's only? Say I'm your everything, and all that I know is I would be so happy if this ever happened someday. And at that moment you'll say, I'm gonna marry your daughter and make her my wife. I want her to be the only girl that I love for the rest of my life, and give her the rest of me to the day that I die. I'm gonna marry your princess, make her my queen. She'll be the most beautiful bride I've ever seen. I can't wait to smile as I walk down the aisle.